Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the warning timing on your dual sensor brake support on the Suzuki car. So I am in a Suzuki Evatara. Now the way you want to change it, you want to go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, we're going to go to ADAS, the first option on the left. Now we're going to tap on the dual sensor brake support twice to open it faster. And here we have the warning timing. So we can change it to earlier or later. As you guys can see, there's no more other options. So you have the earlier, default, or later. Now it will probably be set to default on your car, but also you can change it to earlier, for example, so that you can have the sensor support work faster. Here, you guys can change it to earlier. Now it will save automatically. And that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.